Welcome back. Now, not everything is content creation on Jasper. For example, one of the things you can do inside of the video area is you can look for specific video topic ideas. And you're going to see that template inside of the video area of your Jasper templates. We're going to click on that template. You're then going to see three different prompts. One is going to be what the topic of your videos should be. What you'll then need to do is to write in the keyword that you want to rank for on YouTube. And then in terms of topic ideas, you'll want to determine what your tone of voice is going to be for Jasper. You'll then determine how many different topic ideas that you're going to want from Jasper. We're going to write in a number different than the default. What you'll then do is click the Generate button. Jasper will then give you sets of video topic ideas. Once you have topic ideas, you can begin to look for video titles. You also have a template available to you in Jasper. You can then click on video titles. You can write in your topic idea. You can then write in your keyword. You can then write in your tone of voice. You can then determine how many video titles you want, and you can then click Generate. What you may see then is that some of the titles that you have are going to be very similar to your topics. However, Jasper does attempt to take the information and then write in a title. If you don't like the particular output that you've been given, one of the things you can do is to change the tone of voice. Once you do that, you can then click Generate again. You can then go to your output area and you can get one of your video titles. We're going to copy it and we're going to go to our video description. We're going to write in our video title. We're going to write in our keyword. We're going to write in our tone of voice. We are then going to determine how many descriptions that we want. Once we've done that, we're then going to click Generate. You will then see output for your video description. You can then script out your video and write an introduction. We're going to click on this template. And in this case, all we need is the video title. We are then going to write in our tone of voice. We're going to determine the amount of output that we want, and we're then going to click Generate. Jasper will then give us a video script and introduction. And finally, Jasper will give us a video script outline. We're going to click on this element, and the prompt that we need is going to be a video title or topic. We're going to paste in our video title. We are then going to determine what our tone of voice is going to be. And once we have those two prompts, we're then going to click Generate. And Jasper will begin to create our video script outline. And then we can take each of these elements and we can then write a blog post for each one and use that as part of our video script. Basically, we can create the entire set of video content for our YouTube video using Jasper. Okay, so with that, thanks, and I'll see you either in another video or in another course.